Hey there everyone, in this video we're going to talk about the difference between part that is made up of multiple body. You might have seen even in other CAD software now there's a concept of part that have multiple body versus assembly. Like what is difference, why there is a multiple body, when you need to use this multiple body concept or when you need to use assembly. So let's start with multiple body first. So body is nothing but you can think of group of certain features that we try to segregate or separate from another group of features. And the reason behind could be, let's say you want to implement certain kind of operation with it. For example, let's say you are adding your logo to this 3D object. So that can be a separate body. And maybe you want to perform Boolean operation among bodies. So for that purpose also sometimes body is utilized. And then when you apply certain function that also include pad or cut in certain body, when you activate certain body, it doesn't affect another body. Now sometimes we also saw, let's say you are doing some kind of 3D print, and then this is one body which you want to implement certain color, and another part or another body you want to implement another color. In that case also multiple body help. And it's not only limited to prototyping, but you can also think of, let's say, 2K injection mold. So again, I'm gonna give you a quick overview when you need to use part with multiple body. Whenever you want separate solid during design, you want to perform Boolean operation, you want a single print, but in stages, you want to keep things clean and editable. Now let's talk about assembly. Well, assembly is a whole different game where we kind of assemble multiple separate parts together to form certain machine, to form certain mechanism. It can also be static, but there you going to have multiple other option. For example, how much degree of freedom you want among certain parts. Or you can also decide that I would like to apply certain type of constraint. For example, you might be using a line, mate or parallel constraint, or in terms of mechanism or linkage, you are using pin joint or slider joint or cylinder joint. So in case of assembly, it is built of multiple physical parts or component and generally tied together with constraint and motion if needed. However, in case of body, it is same project, one file, no motion. So do not expect like you have built a multiple body in a single part and then you try to perform kinematic simulation or analysis. That is only doable in assembly mode. So next time you are confused, remember the rule. If you are building something as a one piece, though there are certain differentiators, you can use multiple body in a part. But if you are thinking of doing kinematic analysis, you want separate things, then use assembly. I hope guys you find this video helpful and informational. If you have got any doubts still left, please feel free to ask me in comment down below. I will definitely try to help you out with it. And I will catch you soon with one such another video of this FreeCAD series. Till then, you take care and bye-bye.